Hello, my people, my brother, my sisters, and the younger ones. I am here to give you a show on piano. So now I am going to show you how to play 3 songs on piano. So let's start. Welcome. Let me start by song which is called Happy Birthday to You, and I think that you will enjoy. And all of you who have birthday today, so enjoy your days. Let me start. I think that you enjoyed the song, so let's go on the second one, which is called Joyeux anniversaire. So enjoy our second song. So I think that you enjoyed the second song. So may we proceed on our third? I think that it is yes. So let's go on the third song. Christmas Day, there is a song that they play on that day. So that is what I am going to show you how to play it. So enjoy. I think that enjoyed it all. So may I show you another things on this piano, and so that you can enjoy. I am going to show you this one. Let me show you this. I think that you enjoyed. That was our today's song. So maybe we next day, let me hope that you have subscribed to my channel, and I wish you happy birthday to all of you who have it today.